1 plus 2 gives us 3. 9 times 3 equals 27. So 27 divided by 27 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. Because, according to doing of operations, first we have to do a parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and the finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have 1 division, 1 multiplication, and 1 parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 1 addition. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses it means multiplication and we usually don't write a multiplication sign for brevity. So according to the PAMDAs, first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this parentheses, inside this parentheses we have 1 plus 2 which equals 3. So 27 divided by 9 times 3. Now we have 1 division and 1 multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. So first 27 divided by 9 which equals 3. So 3 times 3, which equals 9. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 9.